Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is regular grammar and transition diagram. Regular grammar is a formal grammar used to define regular languages. It is used to generate strings by applying rules to start a symbol. We have two types of regular grammar, which is the right linear, which is non-terminal that appears on the right, and left linear, which appears on the left. So, this This is an example of a regular grammar. So S2 AS and S2B. The explanation is the grammar generates strings like B, AB, AAB, and etc. Regular grammar as transition diagram states that Q0, the start state, reading as A's, Q1, accepting state after reading B. So the transition is from Q0 on A, stay in Q0, on B, move to Q1. Q1 as our final state. So this is the diagram which shows that Q0, which has 8, which has A as an input to Q1, which is B as an input, and we can see that Q1 has a double circle, which means it is our final state, going Q1 to